Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidya. I create beauty and lifestyle related videos. So we are in 2021. I hope that everyone enjoyed their New Year evening and everybody is ready to rock 2021. So today we will be doing a very no makeup kind of look. We won't be using foundation today. The only thing that we'll be using as a base would be concealer. And without any further ado, let's get started. I have already moisturized my face, but still I feel that it is a bit dry. That is what I feel. That is the reason I'm using this Belief Numero 10 essence. This is a serum. I'll be using a very little, a pea size amount, as you can see. So this essence instantly hydrates your face, and that is what I love about it. The glow and the hydration is what I live for. So the next that we'll be using is a Maybelline concealer. This is a Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. Actually, I don't want a full coverage face. That is the reason I'm only going with concealer. I'll let this concealer sit for at least 10 seconds so that I get a tad bit of coverage. I don't want a very light coverage. I want some of my dark circles to hide. That is the reason I'll let it sit for 10 seconds and then we'll blend it. As you can see, it has not given much coverage to me, but it has managed to hide my dark circles and I'm happy with the coverage. We'll now go ahead and take Sugar's compact powder in the shade Cappuccino. I'll just set every area that has concealer so that it doesn't crease. The only reason I'm not using a loose powder and using a compact is because compact also has coverage. So that way I'll get a tad bit of a coverage and I will be able to set my under eyes as well. Once the base has been done, I'll move to blush, but I won't take a powder blush or anything. I would take a lipstick as a blush. So this is Lakme Absolute's lipstick in the shade Mauve Me. This is a very pretty mauve color and I won't take it directly from the bullet because that is unhygienic. I'll just apply it on my... This is a very creamy lipstick. I'll just apply it on my hands. And then with the help of my finger, take this and dab it in. This is a very pigmented lipstick, so I have to be very careful. I'm going for a very light look and that is the reason I'm dabbing a lot because I don't want to be I don't want the blush to be in my face. So we are done with the blush. So now we'll move ahead to the eyeshadow thing. The palette that I'll be using is Makeup Revolution London Reloaded palette in the shade Velvet Rose. I hope that you're able to see. It has such beautiful neutral colors. Oh my god, I am really digging this palette today. So the color that I would be taking would be matching to my top because I don't want to go over the top. It's just a normal look. It's just a very simple look. So I'll be taking this white shade first. I'll be just applying it on my crease. I'll be taking this color as this is very similar to my top. I'll just apply it all over my lids, nothing fancy. I don't feel like having an eyeliner today, but I'll definitely go with a mascara. So this is the last sensational Maybelline. Can you just see how much of a difference mascara can make? Look at this eye and look at this eye. I love it. I feel like having a colored kajal under my eyes just for a change. So I'll be using the K by Katrina's Jaded Glow Metallic Eyeshadow. So we are almost done with the look. We'll just apply a lipstick and finish off this look. I feel that this look is super appropriate for a nude lip. Nykaa's Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Diana. This is a very pink nude kind of a shade. I think it really looks beautiful, but I would like to top it off with the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Icon. So this is how the look has turned out. I really love how the look has turned out. It was only concealer, no foundation, but the base looks healthy, the base looks dewy. I really love it. The pop of green is actually giving me life right now, and the mascara looks bomb. So I really like this look. This is not the basic heavy makeup, heavy base that I do, but this was my take on a no foundation, only concealer kind of a look. Please do let me know if you like such videos. Please leave a like, comment and share this video with your friends. I hope they found it useful. And please do follow me on Instagram as I create very beautiful looks over there as well. And let me know how you like this look. I am totally living for this look. Until next time, love. Bye bye.